Hey guys, welcome back to Cookshop. You know, I'm one of those people who likes to think we're all in this together, but now we're really all in this together, like pretty much all around the world. Um, so if you're like me, you may have some food in the freezer. I kind of do on a normal basis. And big problem is freezer burn. So if you're going to be socking some food away or cooking in bulk or whatever, you want to avoid it. I got a few easy ways to do that. I'll go in from most complex to the simplest, lowest tech version. So without further ado, let's get going.
So let's say you've got your valuable food stuff. We'll use this, what is this, like, I don't know, sparrow, robin? Anyways, beautiful. You want to eat it later. You're going to have a hot date when quarantine is over. So you want to keep it safe. Freezer burn, as you probably know, is caused when air reaches your food in the freezer. Not only dehydrates it, because then it'd be freeze-dried and really expensive, but also oxidizes it. You can still eat it. You just won't want to. The bottom line is, you want to keep air from getting to your food. Alright, so first up is the gold standard, a vacuum sealer. I got one. I love it. I vacuum seal everything. If you stand still in my house, I'm going to vacuum seal you. All you do is drop your precious squab in a bag, put it under the lip, flop that open, tuck the little guy down into the trough, just in case there's some liquid in there, lock her down, and then press the button. It seals it and sucks all the air out in one fell swoop. Of course, in this case, it kind of crushes it too. But then once it's all done, the light is green, the trap is clean. You flip it open and wow. I mean, that made that a lot better. Main drawback of this is that you have to buy it. It costs about $100. Alright, method number 2. This is the poor man's vacuum sealer. Just takes a Ziploc bag. You gotta put the bird in the bag. I used this for decades with great success, so I can tell you this actually works pretty well. Bird goes in the bag. You seal the bag up almost all the way, get all the air out that you can. We'll see if you just did that. Yeah, doesn't work that well. But add a straw. Plastic bag and a straw. Sounds like a drug bust. But no, watch this. So just open the bag a little bit, stick your straw down in there, and get your mind out of the gutter. This actually works really well. Almost as well as the vacuum sealer. Like I said, I used this one for years. Next up, same Ziploc, no straw. So again, the bird's got to go in the bag. This time you use a bowl of water. And this is a big hit with the sous vide set. You guys probably know what I'm about to do. Take your Tweety, put it in the bag. Bag goes in the water. Water displaces the air. Air comes out of the bag. And then you seal up the bag. And before you know it, it essentially shrinks around the tweeter. It's not as good in my experience as the previous two, but it does require less gear. Finally, the simplest one of them all, one that's kind of counterintuitive. Trap it. No, seriously, put your birdie in a bucket or a deli tub in this case, and fill said deli tub with water or gravy or stock or duck fat. And if it floats, you might have to take some drastic measure down there, you little booger. Anyway, so you take that whole deli tub, freeze it with your food submerged. I actually used this in my short ribs series because I made the short ribs and didn't make the rest of it till a couple of weeks later. This actually works great. Problem is, it's kind of inconvenient and it takes a lot of room.
All right, everybody, that's it. I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything else you want me to cover, please shoot me a line. You know where to find me in the comments right underneath this video. You know, there's a saying that I read in a book one time. I can't remember the book. I don't remember even what it was about or who wrote it, so I apologize. But it stuck with me, and it pops into my head every now and then, depending on what's going on. And the saying is, you gotta dance even when the music sucks. Right now the music sucks pretty bad, but keep dancing, because we're all dancing together. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and take it easy. See you next time. Cheers.